Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Running. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 31st of May till 6th of June 2021, though timeless readings. Okay. So the message that is coming for you, you may take it as your heart energy, overall energy, vibe, however you want to take it. I kind of hear that there is a blur sparrow. Okay, I can see that the bird is appearing there, and I figured it out that it's sparrow, and you hardly see these days. I don't know, possible in your area you see it, but in my area I don't see them often. Okay, I used to see them a lot and making nests and everything, but nowadays they are not coming. Okay, or they're coming, but you know they are less in number actually. That's a different concept, but I hear, like, for Taurus, this is like a homecoming call. This is someone you are missing. This may be something that you are away studying, job, or business trip, or whatever you are doing in your life right now. It's something for some of you has to do with the concept of like missing home, missing the place, missing children, or you might be yourself a teenager and you're missing something or someone from your family and you really want to catch up with them. Okay, that kind of energy. It's also blurred communication. I see it's not yet not clear, as if like someone is trying to figure out the other energy, or someone is trying to figure out other person, and this may go for your side. Like you might not be in this frame of like being very clear sparrow. I see blur, kind of that energy is here. Okay, something I feel, Page of Wands may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy you're dealing or you dealt. However, this is something that is yet not clear. Okay, this is something unclear. I feel unclear situation, unclear communication, or someone who is unable to make the other person clear out their feelings. Okay, so I feel this is something genuine. It's a warm thing that I am picking here. Okay, and we're going to see the shuffle. Okay, let's start. Something is in the hand situation. I feel they want, it's genuine approach. So if it is new, then again goes that way. This may be reunion. I like feel, oh my god, what's going on with that word? I'm sorry. I apologize. This may be connected with Two of Cups energy, kind of like reunion, or just in case the union, someone does want to genuinely say something. That's what I'm hearing. So for Taurus, there is a sparrow that is blur. Sparrow that is blur, okay? But they want to return, or they just want to stay where they are with you. However, this can go for yours from your side as well. Someone is in hanged situation, basically. Not or unable to make a move. Okay, sometimes it's not making a move at all, but I feel someone does want, and there is something of like confusion regarding the situation. Should I or shouldn't I? Or maybe this is the case of like you're going to receive the message, or you're going to send the message. Okay, again you have Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe is here. I'll take little time in shuffling because of this. Okay, so don't mind. Okay, here we go. You have Knight of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel this is the age. What are you saying? They're playing with my throat. I don't know. This is the age of communication. Whoa, okay, so there's going to be quick, upfront communication, very fast, expected but not expected the way it's going to come. Okay, expected but not the way it's going to come. So basically what someone is about to tell, I feel possible emotions will be out and about, blur emotion, blur communication, and it's going to be like, because what I saw was like a digital and it's going to be clear. That's why I figured out that it's a sparrow. Okay, now you may check symbolisms of sparrows and everything, that's a different thing, but I feel that. Okay, what's that? Whoa, the star, maybe an Aquarius, but with this star I feel it's okay. I'm hearing pinpoint. This is destiny call. I'm not taking this card, but that's a destiny call, it's something, a pinpoint, this is one kind of energy, and it's going to be very, very much clear. Let's see your overall heart energy or whatever. Oh wow. Okay, so you are having the moon card, which is interesting because I feel where you left, it's going to be starting, or something that is supposed to be starting is going to start. There is going to be pickup energy. Okay, this may be with the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, possible, not necessary though, but there is a pickup energy. However, you got the moon reverse, there may be a Piscean, but I feel this is very good. Intensity also, I'm picking the word, but with this I feel everything will be out and about. Genuinely someone does want to say, and genuinely they're missing, and genuinely they were hiding feelings. The genuine word is definitely coming here. With the sparrow energy blur, everything is going to be cleared out, because with the concept of having like that, and it was in one go was very clear, which is a sign that everything is going to fall at place for me according to my reading. I feel someone is not leaving someone's side, which is again genuine approach from someone, from your side towards the other energy, or from their side towards you. However, this is going to be mutually opening up. I heard mutually, genuinely opening up towards one another. So there's going to be pickup, and it is also about many of you who were feeling disturbed, upset about something. It's going to be very much clear to you, which is a good sign that you're going to be out of a diplomatic or dual state with your own self or within the situation. So also I talked about that someone is missing someone, unclear about something, and it's going to be that you're going to work on. Okay, the moon phase. So basically you're coming out of that. It's about the now, it's about your stability, it's about your home, it may be about your work situation, whatever it is. 1111, your, I heard calling time, 1111 calling time, maybe it's the call of stability, call of, yeah, of course I told them, talk it, T-A-L-K-I-T, talk it, whatever is it, just talk about it. Okay, this may be your own place where you are living. This may be homecoming, home call. That's what I said. Someone is calling someone as well. It's little unclear. Okay, maybe I think like wire problem, like connectivity problem, internet problem, connection problem, which is actually via phone. I feel, which is it's happening like a disturbance is in the wire, and because of that communication, the words being reciprocated, they're not clear. Okay, this may happen, but don't worry, someone does want to genuinely say a lot of stuff, and they might be having like a hit of I want to, like that kind of energy as well. Okay, we'll see. So you people might be coming from a place and still dealing with this. Maybe a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you might be missing this person. This may be a female figure in your life, maybe a mother figure or kind of motherly figure, someone who is elder. Something is happening with my throat, I'm telling you. Why a problem, huh? But with this Queen of Cups energy, so this is again definitely Piscean is there, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is there. There is someone who adores you very much, or this may be love situation that you people adore. Yeah, what? Believe. Okay, believe. Okay, they're trying to say believe it. This is going to be out and about. This is going to be clear. We're going to see in your present call what is, yeah. There is Queen of Swords energy. There is also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This may be something, a duality between two energies. You might be dealing, or maybe there is a, in someone's chart it's falling, you know, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, they are all there. If you know, you may check according to your natal chart. I'm just a tarot reader. I'm going to give you messages here. Anyhow, something is happening in my throat. They are trying to tell me something and I'm speaking something, I don't know what. But for Taurus, I feel there's going to be a dual state wherein decision will be done. This may be in the mid of two energies. This may be falling in someone's chart, however it goes for you. I feel in your now, there's going to be a genuine approach of same moment. Okay, it's going to be conversation. Like we can put it as in like heart-to-heart conversations. The way the romance card is there, it's like they really want to speak, or you really want to speak. Basically, they're trying to say it's call of the matter. So whatever the matter is, there's going to be calling to that, and it's going to be calling you till the time you speak about it. Okay, hidden feelings will be reciprocated. Definitely, definitely. Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy as well. But I see this is about the take on the situation, call of the matter. Okay, let's see in your future. This thing, believe. Oh, your card is out, and there's also one card. I'll be back. Very interesting, because yet card is a mystery. Anyways, this card fell down. I don't know. We are going to see it together. Okay, you have a death card. There's a major. They said ending. Okay, so there's a major ending plus the beginning. So kind of like a birth here. Okay, we're going to see this card as well. Okay, major ending. Three of Swords energy. It's a heartbroken situation, but there's also decision in the mid. Okay, as I said, there's a situation. There's a decision in the mid of two. So there may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There might be someone who is ending things with a Piscean. I also heard leaving Piscean. Okay, because of the Three of Swords energy, it's about clarification round. That's what I see. There's a separation as well, sour moment, someone going through, or you might be, or you are heartbroken and you really want to catch up with some vibe here, ending things and bringing on, like you want to catch up with someone. I don't know, I'm hearing it again and again. You want to catch up with someone who, I don't know. There may be a Scorpio here as well, but with a death in your future, there's a big and major transition and changes coming. Okay, fine. So the decision will be clear, and it's going to be the Sparrow. Like for example, just to clear out, like you were unaware prior, but now you know the bird. Okay, and now you know that this is you, and now you know that you need to fly. Sparrow is clear, which means she can fly or he can fly. You're ready. Earlier it was blur and digital, like how to say, pixelated, and now it's clear. So something will be cleared out here in a triangle situation, possible. There is someone else involved. This may also say that you were in love with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, one off, possible a Scorpio, possible a Pisces, or there's a duality or was. And in your now, possible the person you were dealing is dealing with someone else, because there's a triangle. I know this is confused, but however, the situation will be cleared out basically. Three of Swords is the call of making clarifications. You just see, when we started the reading, you had this and you also had this, the Hanged Man. Same is coming again, which means that you need to clear out something with someone. Now I'm going to use Romance Angels. Someone is about to express the love for the one, and that's why decision will be done, and that's why one will be left. Leave kind of energy is coming. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? No. If they don't tell you, they don't tell you. You have two cards, and you also have the bottom energy as separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So it's basically decision. It's also ending and beginning. It's also separation or call of divorce if you are in a relationship. I heard that something is stiff around you. You know, we are reading tarots for the situations and issues. We are reading tarots for people around the globe, okay? And there's a tarot for even pets, like cats, dogs, or other animals and birds even. They just don't know their zodiac, and it doesn't matter even. Like I do my readings of heart reading, wherein I don't take any sign, but that is the energy firm. So you don't need specific sign for that. However, curiosity is connected with signs. I know that. And that's why we do Aquarius, Libra, Virgo, and now Taurus I'm doing. But I feel this may be even your, you know, parental figure here, and you might be a teenager. If you listen to tarots and all that, you need to be, though, you know, plus in 18 plus, of course, to take personal or whatever. But life's decisions, and you know, people watch stuff. Everyone is aware. So let's see one by one. Heavy forgiving and learning, as if like someone is missing someone so much and genuinely asking for or talking about forgiveness and learning this, like whatever is a lesson. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So there might be a decision, and the duality might be of like, I have to be clear about my decision and only then I can fly. Okay, how you can fly, how you can take the decision when you are clear about the now. Forgiving and learning is done, your lesson is complete about that, it's not hitting you again. That's when you're not crying, you're healed, basically. That's what is death, and that's what is Three of Swords here. You have finances and career. I heard it's the approach. Some of you are making big decisions regarding your careers and finances, leaving something behind because it is happening. It is happening, and that's why big decisions are here. You have to secure yourself, and that's why possible finances and career. Or someone is making such kind of decision, and now someone is clear here about the fact that for them this thing is more important than me or my relationship. These things happen. We cannot deny the fact that yeah, there is a duality, to settle here or to take the flight kind of energy. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life, so possible for some cases, yes. Let me take my own deck here for Taurus. You know what, this is a Hindi word, H-I-N-D-I, Hindi language word. It is Kash, I mean K-A-A-S-H, which is like I wish, I desire, kind of like wish, you know, kind of energy that is coming. So possible someone is wishing someone somewhere, and also wishing someone something. Can I was just saying can you, and they gave me calendar. It's time. It's also exclamations here around the calendar. Time is changing. Something that you decided or you're deciding in this time frame possible. It's about the time, switching time frame. Calendar. Wait. Scratches in the heart are basically ECG of the heart. Heartbeats, heartbreak situations as well. It's not something crisp. I see it's like a cracking up, opening up about the matter. Calendar. Okay, I hope that's going to help you guys. I love you. See you soon, and catch up with you later. Okay, and I feel this is time. Like someone is deciding, or it was pre-decided, now is the time. Take care. I love you. See you soon.